Friends, I'm not trying to be funny, but it is no way I will get to 1,000 subscribers without you guys. So please help me out and let's see this channel grow, okay? Hi friends, welcome to Big Boss Lady T channel. Do me a favor, friends, go and subscribe, like, and share, and leave me a comment. Let me know that you guys came by. Hi friends. Well, today I am going to give you the secret recipe of my tartar sauce. Yeah, this tartar sauce means a lot to me, okay? I tried to master this for years and I finally got it. And I've been making it for probably 6 or 7 years now. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, friends, these are the ingredients, and it's really simple. You have the mayo here, mayonnaise, and then here you have the salt. You have the dill relish. You can do sweet, so your preference, okay? I like dill, but it's your preference. Here I have the onions. These are sweet onions. My bowl, this is what we'll be putting the tartar sauce in. And we're also gonna do some jarring today, okay? I have some friends who I am going to give some of this tartar sauce. Let's get started. Friends, so the first thing is the mayo, okay? Sideways normally works for me. So, I'm just gonna scoop the rest out, okay? Because it's been a little stubborn. It's been a little stubborn, so. You guys, you can use this container to storage back your tartar sauce. I do it all the time, okay? So I'm gonna dig the rest of this out. I end up getting a longer spatula, so it's really a mixer. For you true bakers, y'all probably know more about this tool that I'm using. I'm not gonna pretend like I really know, okay? I'm not a terminology person. I just like to do what I do. Okay. Got a whole scoop here. I almost left. Look at that. Almost left a whole scoop. I don't think so. Okay, so look at that. Now, for you guys who do not like onions, because I do have a couple of people who don't like onions, I'm going to can theirs, okay? So now we're gonna do the relish. Second ingredients, okay? The whole jar. Remember, if you don't like dill, do sweet, or whatever relish of your choice. You can use that, okay? Remember, this is just the base of my secret. You're gonna make it your own when you do it, okay? I'm gonna mix that. like that. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt. Okay. Okay. And I just have a beat to everything that I do, so I can't really tell you right now. If you comment recipe, I will send it to you. Okay. That looks so good, you guys. Yes. See that? Look at that. See that? And you don't need a lot of salt. You don't need a lot of salt because if you do dill pickle radish, it has salt in it. So you don't need a whole lot, okay? So we're gonna jar this up. And this is Big Boss Lady's recipe. Nobody taught me this. I learned this on my own. Okay, I have been wanting to do this for years. And it took me years to master it. But I got it now. And guess what? I got people purchasing it. So if y'all want to purchase some, come in, okay? I'm doing this for Good Friday. This is for my friends for Good Friday, okay? And a few family members. Okay, friends. Now that I jarred up 2, I'm not gonna be able to put all of the onions because normally I use all of this, but because I had to jar up 2 without onions, I'm not gonna fill it up with onions. Just take a few more, and I think that'll be good enough. Get that stir going. Okay. Friends, it need all of the onions. So if you don't like the onion taste, you don't have to. And I have a couple of recipes, so I'm gonna let this be the first one. And then we'll come back with the rest, okay? Remember, if you want this recipe, comment recipe for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this kind of content, okay? Now, adding the whole container, for me, it toned down the dill radish, which is perfect. Don't need to add any more salt, okay? So now I have this container, and I am going to start, this spatula is too skinny, so I'm not gonna use this, okay? I'll use that for another one. So I'm gonna use this one, it's more, somebody might not get no tartar sauce. Ooh, because I couldn't find no more of them small containers. Maybe I just won't fill it up. Okay, that's what we'll do. We won't fill them up because these are gifts. Friends, this is the finishing touch. We jarred up my secret tartar sauce, okay? And this is it. If you guys decide to try this recipe, please comment, okay? If you want the recipe, please comment recipe. Friends, I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did giving you my secret to my tartar sauce here. So remember, this is only a base of mine. So whatever you add, this become yours, okay? It is no way I will get to 1,000 subscribers without you guys. So please help me out and let's see this channel grow, okay? Until next time, have a super fantastic day.